First, the top headlines. Union Home Minister Amit Shah arrive in Imphal. Talks begin with CSOs and women organizations. Amit Shah visits Churachandpur and talks with CSOs and leaders. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East and West for 7 hours. Hello and welcome to ELITETV's Primetime English News Bulletin. I'm your host Deemita. Before giving you the news, we request you to follow the SOP given by the government to wear face masks in public, wash hands regularly, and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requests you to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part to fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. Union Minister of Home Shri Amit Shah arrived at Imphal Airport yesterday at 9:20 p.m. and was received by Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh, Minister of State Home Nityanand Rai, National Spokesperson BJP Shambit Patra and Cabinet Ministers. Home Minister Shri Amit Shah proceeded to the office of Chief Minister Manipur and held a closed-door meeting with the Chief Minister Manipur, Union Minister of State for Home, Council of Ministers Shambit Patra, National Spokesperson BJP, Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Secretary Home, Government of India, Tapan Kumar Deka, Director of Intelligence Bureau DIB, Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur and Security Advisor. Detailed discussions were held from 9:40 p.m. to 10:45 p.m. at the Chief Minister's Secretariat and the following decisions were taken: to restore normalcy and bring peace to the state at the earliest, to take necessary actions to improve the law and order situation and build confidence among the public, to expedite relief measures and make essential items like petrol, LPG gas, rice and other daily requirements available to the common people. Compensations at the tune of rupees 10 lakh, rupees 5 lakh to be borne by the state and rupees 5 lakh as central share to the deceased persons and provisions of one job to the family of the deceased persons. Telephone lines with the help of BSNL will be installed to dispel rumors. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today visited Churachandpur. He was warmly welcomed by the people of Churachandpur. Union Minister talks with different civil society organizations and listened their grievances. Union Home Minister Amit Shah along with BJP spokesperson Shambit Patra and Union Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai today held meeting with 7 women organizations and stakeholders of 3 Khwairaman Kaitel today at the Raj Bhavan. Amit was assured that no two separate administration is feasible in Manipur and urged not to believe in rumors stressed by Nupi Kaitel Sinpham Amadi Saktam Kanbalup, President Khetramayum Shanti. She further narrated that abrogations of SU, immediate implementations of NRC in Manipur, inclusions of Maitai Mita in NRC list, people no longer want the army in the state and should be recall and clearance of Ban blockade from National Highway are some of the demands meted out to Amit Shah. Reacting to the demands, Amit Shah assured them that 10 lakh compensations with suitable government jobs to next of the kin of the deceased family, reduce the prices of essential commodities within 2 days and try to bring peace and normalcy in the state. She further stated that Home Minister will return to the state within 10 days to restore peace. Women representatives further expressed their view that continuing arson, looting, killing of foothills will not bring peace. Further, rapid action forces deployed to bring peace in the state are indulging in creating communal violence, they allege. Further, Chief Minister N cannot leave its post and elected representatives should stood firm as iron rod and protect the people. They further demand all elected representatives should stand together as one and take resolve to protect the integrity of the state.
Moina onjalaga akoida attack tobase masima akoi supya yaro hebasima haire aduga mamangda sugi militant kukina lairiba sida matamdu da igiba kulai asuk phange kadar asuk lai haibase matamdu da pai giba nongmai singdo moina hujik puthorai ba step par ka si yaubra masi check to biu sibo hai Amit Shah da akoi pende moina puthorai ba nongmai je hujik Indian Army emana war mafam da kap nongmai du ngak ta pai ra gale rabani na aikoina nauri ga thingna ba ngamroi masi atuba matamda lokthok biu moi thajadre haibasima haire adu mana Amit Shah na hairakpase yamna sire nakallanina akoi mitaina yamna sidre kukina yamna sire aduna hojingmak nabat heta loisannabagi wafam sidaida akoi atuba matamda wari sanabagi tungjang jangsalle ngarang nungdangdagi mifam phame lupa asibada lupa laktara thaba ama piba si ahamba si waret lore aduga hojing akoi kenoda chakani kangkopi chakani sorsambur chakani moigi seso mayam wari sanarugini aduga akoi imai bil mayamna economic blockade na maram oraga wari ba mayam singse tu desh gi manungda soidana maki hangto kanda hanagi ahongba mamanda phanghangani sigida makta kaimta waganu hairei do Manipur da separate administrative ama leiba haibase karimta oiroi da thabakni sigida makta pungda sangka leibiganu thaja biganu tonga thaja biganu kaita tawroi haibase ma haire okay adagi NRC matang se koina yang kanna haibase NRC se 3 month ki mamangda state government ama chigi aiba che thoktana haugrabani committee semgrabani aduna Assam Nagaland Manipur mid ki adagi akoi gi khubi ki print tawraga masi chapchana masi thabak lokhatkani haibadugi wafam do thamai.
Home Minister Amit Shah gave assurance that the territorial integrity of the state of Manipur will never be affected, said Kokomi. The above statements were made at a press conference held at its office located at Uripok by Coordinator Jitendra Ningomba after meeting with Home Minister. The meeting took place at Chief Minister Bungalow and different topics were put forth from the side of the Kokomi, said Jitendra Ningomba.
Appropriate measures for the protection of territorial and administrative integrity of Manipur. Adugani Subada, immediate abrogation of suspension of operations, SHU, with the Kuki militants under the umbrella of the United People Fronts, UPF, and Kuki National Organization, KNO, and protection of lives and properties of the innocent Meiteis village inhabited at the foothills of Imphal and the innocent people in the hill areas of Manipur. Sina immediate and effective counter-terrorist action to uproot the SHU and the non-SHU narco-terrorist aggressor in the Manipur to restore peace and normalcy. Immediate replacement of Assam rifles from the Indo-Myanmar international border with other security forces like Border Security Force, BSF, etc. And also to follow roster deployment for every 6 months. Immediate compensation and rehabilitation of all the victims' family.
On the other hand, media coordinator of Kokomi, Somarendra, had expressed deep belief in front of Amit Shah to save the territorial integrity of the state and to put into action.
Civil society kaya amasu unaki ay tanam tu gimnungda Kokomishu saru yakibani. Madai mana thamamba wafam ji sai koi ki Kokomina ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯊꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯅꯥꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯌꯦꯠꯄ ꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯏꯟꯆꯤ ꯑꯃꯐꯥꯎ ꯀꯥꯏꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯕꯣꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯒꯤ MLA 10ꯅ ꯁꯦꯄꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯗ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯅꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯅꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯃꯤꯇꯤꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
On the other hand, World Meitei Council Forum for Restoration of Peace, Committee of Peaceful Coexistence Manipur, CPCM Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee and Amuko also met with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and held talks. After the meeting at CM Secretariat, matters put forth before by representatives of committee civil society organizations were made public and the assurances given by Home Minister in details.
ꯁꯨꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯂꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯥꯟꯃꯥꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯀꯣꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯣꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ BJPꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯊꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯍꯜꯂꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ BJPꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯉꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ 9ꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯦꯔꯤꯇꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯇꯤꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯥꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯁꯁꯄꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯈꯨꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯧ so long as ꯁꯨꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯃꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯊꯨꯒꯥꯏ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯆꯤꯡꯈꯣꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯗꯔꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯗꯧꯔꯝꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ
any condition da by hook any ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ territorial integrity ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ administrative integrity ꯀꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ compromise ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ honorable home ministerꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯁꯜꯂꯛꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄꯨꯁꯜꯂꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯂꯨꯒ ꯇꯤꯜꯍꯧꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯔꯝ ꯑꯃꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ integrity ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ honorable home ministerna ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯕꯥꯏꯁ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯎꯖꯕꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯕꯥꯏꯁ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯔꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯁꯟꯇꯥꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯁꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯄꯤꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯈꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯗꯥꯏ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯅꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯅꯦꯝꯊꯔꯛꯄꯅꯣ honorable home ministerna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ
ꯑꯩ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯔꯃꯣꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ it should be represented by all the respective of communities inclusive oiba adungba Manipur State Peace Committee ama leiba targa lei haibse akoina thami maramdi Manipur se multi ethnic group oijaba aduna asigumje toina dum thoe madu amu thoktaningai tamakta aikoi Manipur State Peace Committee ama thambio haibse akoina taksen khare aduga amana hoji ichinau tampak to leiriba singso akoina Forum for Restoration of Peace na thamjabadi hojik lan toriba thoriba mayam sidi police ama plan ama tawraga fajana tamna dum tawse lan tawe aidana imphal da khoi swaida amaga yungmai thanaba trade tawnaba lambi da thoklaga gari mai thaba mi bu trade tawbasidi madudi akhoi landu akhoi serang na chakre madu please tobigno haibase ichino tampak da leiba mayam da su ching da leiba mayam da su Forum for Restoration of Peace na request tawjari appeal tawjari iching no ching da leiba mayam na su naga wegera kuki wegera hojiki janjara se da kaiba yaba aduga khana chenaba yaba karimata wa se adungbodu ngangbigno problem create tobigno haibse akhoi Forum for Restoration of Peace ki chap chana du de lepchai
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯂꯣꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯏꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯉꯝ ꯐꯤꯔꯥꯟ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯄꯖꯦꯡ ꯐꯤꯔꯥꯟ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯅ ꯆꯠꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯞ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯐꯥꯊꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯦ CPCMꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯖꯍꯧꯒꯦ
ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯤꯡ ꯀꯨꯀꯤ ꯀꯝꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯊꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ 10 ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯐꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ 80 ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚꯦꯜ ꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯥꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯆꯦꯡ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯁꯤꯂꯤꯟꯗꯔ 10,000 ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯨꯕꯗ ꯆꯪꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟ ꯗꯤꯂꯔ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯏꯚꯦꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯦꯠꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯡꯉꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯑꯃꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯡꯕ ꯁꯤꯂꯤꯟꯗꯔ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯄꯤꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ पेट्रोल पंप हांगनबा असिगी महाक ऑलरेडी डायरेक्शन पीखरे असिगुम कया वफम हाइरे वर्ल्ड मिटे काउंसिल की ओइनदी एखोना थमजरमबदी होजिक होजिक कुकी मिलिटेंट्सना मिटेना असी अवाना मसी तहालिबसे मसी तमक्ता सुअसे मसी होजिक होजिक मसे स्क्रैप तोरगा मखोइसे केनो तोरबा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आउटलॉ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हाना डिक्लेयर तोबि हाइखि मथंगदा जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी मसी तोबिदुना मसी से कनाना मसी की मरु ओइना कनाना मसी असुगुंबा वायलेंस से थोखनबनो अमसु सॉल्यूशन पोरकनबा मदु थमजगे अमसु नो पीस टॉक शांति की वफम कुकी इचिनिना ओबे यारोय करिगुंबा अखोगी सु लेरिबा मिलिटेंसी मथक्ता मखोइबु एक्शन लौद्रि भावदा शांति की वफम गांगबा जारोय मरमदी शांति की वफम हादोरकपदा पॉइंट्स लाकनी कंडीशंस लाकनी मखोइदि खुलाई पाना मपानदा होजिक चली करिगुंबा अदुगी मतांगदा अमुक मखोइना खुद हलकपगी मदुगुंबा वफम लई
Curfew has been relaxed in Falaise in the west till 11 a.m. today. Markets and the shops were open in both the districts. People rushed to purchase essential items during the curfew relaxation. Boxing world champion Laishram Sarita Devi has stated that present issue that Manipur has been unfortunately facing is between two particular communities and not between Meitei Hindus and Christians as it is being portrayed by the national media. Speaking to the DIPR, El Sarita said it is heartbreaking to witness Manipur, which is known for being a harmonious and very peaceful land, facing unprecedented violence. Manipur will be reduced to such a sorry state is beyond my wildest dreams. Our lives have been drastically affected and disturbed. As a player, I always dream as Manipur as a drug-free, peaceful society for poor youths. Widespread burning down of Deemita villages were reported at Sero and Suknu area by Kuki militants. Many young volunteers from Khongjom reached Suknu to protect villages. Unfortunately, one of the volunteers lost contact. A person identified himself as Kuki replied upon calling his phone that the owner of the phone was killed by him. The missing person has been identified as Haikruzam Robinsona, 26 years, son of Dhana of Khongjom Kaitel.
मागासे क्राइदा लेबुनजि थिगों खंद्रे माकी फोलजि मुंगनुंगना केर कान कॉल तो मतमदा पारखिदे दु ममै थंगदा कुकी ला लौबुने हाइबा मना अखोगी मीदो खोइना हातोगले अखोइ थिबा फंगरा हाइबना चिंगबा यामना करेमनबा पाकुम पिरखि असि बावुदा लेगागासिना प्रजादा अवाना तारिबा सिंगसि मफम मतम चाना मरम चाना प्रजा कनबंगमबगी थुदांग अमता लौखत्रि अदुना थु मतमदा रोबिन्सनागी सांगसि हिंगलिब्रा चंगलिब्रा मसि कोइ इमुंग मनुंगदा सिलबा कोई पामी नतगदि कोई वोटिंग कमिटीना कोई अकन खोंजन क्या चंचल लखनी कोई ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टरना कोई की मिलिटेंट सी टेरोरिस्टने लाउथोपिरे अदुगा मरु फंगना मुथतकने रंगरांग नंदा तांग कुतरे द फुंगदु फेरै हारिबा इरांग की मिलिटेंट रमेतें सिंग दुमै थाबा सिदि तांग अहुमदि हरखिबनि अदुबु तांग अहुमदिगिना तांग कुत्रपाउसे ऑनरेबल सीएम करी तौरगा लेबिबनो तुमगा लेबिब्रा हाइबनो सिंगबा कोई पेनदबा वाकत मैम थमजै अदुना अतु मतंदा सरकार सिना लेंगासिना अकनबा स्टेप लखोटपिदना हाइरिबा खुगी मांग्रिबा इचानुपा हेगुजम रोमिसना से ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯔꯣꯟꯕ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯗꯥꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯇꯤꯖꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯇꯣꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯆꯪ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯗꯅ ꯑꯔꯣꯟꯕ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯗꯥ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯐꯖꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯅꯝꯊꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯣꯝ ꯕꯖꯥꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯟꯊꯥ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯩꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯖꯝ ꯔꯣꯕꯤꯟꯁꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯁꯥꯝ ꯔꯥꯏꯐꯜꯅ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌా ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯪꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯖꯦꯟꯗꯥꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ.
At least 7 people were killed after a bus going from Punjab's Amritsar to Jammu and Kashmir's Quetta fell into a deep gorge in Jammu, officials said on Tuesday. According to the Jammu DC, 16 people sustained injuries, of which 4 are seriously injured. A crane is being brought to see if someone is trapped under a bus, said CRPF Assistant Commandant said. At least 9 people, including 3 children, have been wounded in a mass shooting at the beach in Florida, US. The police have not released further details about the ages of the victims, but all of them were in stable condition, according to a hospital spokesperson. Preliminary investigations showed that altercations between 2 groups resulted in gunfire. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said he is filled with humility and gratitude as the BJP-led government in centre completed 9 years. Every decision made, every action taken has been guided by the desire to improve the lives of the people, he tweeted. In a tweet, BJP wrote, "Let's celebrate 9 incredible years of development, transformation and welfare of Modi government." And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kayagi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pakna pangthokli. Wana honajaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Miyamda Kanganjaba UNACO School Chanungda Security Force Lairibasi School Asiga Karimta Mari Lainajade Mapam Sida Security Force Thamba Pamba Pamdaba Haibasi Miyamna Lepiu ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯧꯒꯠꯆꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯍꯧ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯀꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯏꯍꯧ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯖꯔꯤ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ PRO ꯌꯨꯅꯥꯀꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯆꯅꯨꯡ
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's Primetime English News Bulletin. India's Startup 20 Chair Jitan Vaishnav said G20 member countries are working to develop a framework to define startups. The idea is to come up with a framework which is applicable across different economies, Vaishnav stated. He added that discussions will be also held on cross-border investments and supporting startups that are willing to be measured by sustainable development goals. The accidental firing of a BrahMos missile into Pakistan cost India ₹24 crore, the government told the Delhi High Court while justifying the dismissal of 3 IAF officers for gross negligence. The government mentioned the decision to dismiss the officers was taken in the IAF after 23 years as facts and circumstances of the case warranted such action. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday attended the ceremonial welcome of Cambodian King Norodom Sihamoni at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi. Sihamoni, who is on a 3-day visit, had arrived in the national capital a day earlier. This is the first time a Cambodian king is visiting India in nearly 60 years. China has sent 3 astronauts to its now fully operational space station as part of crew rotations in the 5th manned mission to the station since 2021. The spacecraft Shenzhou 16 or Divine Vessel lifted off atop a Long March 2F rockets in the Gobi Desert on Tuesday. The Chinese space station was completed in 2022 and after 11 crewed and uncrewed missions. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah arrived in Imphal. Talks begin with CSOs and women organizations. Amit Shah visits Rajasthanpur and talks with CSOs and leaders. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East and West for 7 hours. And that's a wrap for today. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great evening.